I'm Nadine O'Sullivan and this is my Lipizzaner mare Monza. She's currently on the initial 15-week program for equine melanoma, and the ointment that we use twice a day is just called melanoma ointment. So use sparingly, a little bit on the tip of the finger on the active lesion. So Mon has a small one under her tail here. The product is 100% natural and safe to use without gloves. So it's not quite as suitable for the slower growing quiet tumours, as it may cause a little breakout. The other product that's available in the melanoma program is colloidal silver. That's available in the 5 litres from McDowell's. So a horse takes 100 mils per day and a pony 50 mils per day. So if you have other questions, please drop onto the website at mcdowellsherbal.com and they'll answer all your queries. Products to add to the feed twice a day in the melanoma program. You have the melanoma mix, and that one is 60 drops per day twice. And the maritime pine bark extract, which is 40 drops twice a day. So just a small amount of feed, which I have here already. Easy to draw up. Pop it in.